Hello everyone. In this video, I'm just gonna tell you how you can secure your Windows laptop and how you can make sure, that all your security side, everything is safe and turned on, like Windows Defender or anything like that. So just to secure your laptop fully and which things to turn on, that make any kind of phishing or links or these kind of things which hackers try to attack on your laptop, you can save it, or any apps or any picture you download from Google, from anywhere else is fully secure. So let's go into the settings. So you have to go into the settings here, and when you go here into the settings, in Windows 11 and 10, you're gonna see that you have privacy and security. When you click on this, you have this whole menu where you have so many options, app permissions, and these. We will go through this as well in another video, which is because it's going to be long otherwise. I will record another video on all these app permissions, which one you have to give permissions to, which one is not required, and just to limit or uh, limit the risk we can cause, or this laptop uh, can be attacked. So let's start with Windows security one, which is the main one. So click on that, and it will bring you this kind of menu where you can see on my laptop protection areas, virus and threat protection, no action needed. It's all, as you can see, check, 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 check. And might be in your case, maybe they're going to be a little cross, which means you have to have a look into that and fix the issue, whatever it's going to be. So as you can see, this is like a dashboard. So to go further in, you have to open Windows Security. When you click on that, it will load a proper, like, this kind of a menu where you can see everything. So I'm going to start with virus and threat protection. When you go in there, you're going to see no action needed, nothing is fine. Because I have this antivirus installed in my laptop, so you make sure you have any antivirus installed first of all in your laptop. So this is WebRoot. So this is actually checking from that. Any file I download, it checks. So if I open app like that, it's open this app and it's gonna start scanning. I can scan this as well. Or here, Microsoft Defender antivirus option. So when you drop down from the drop down, you can turn this on as well, which is really good. The Windows Defender is really good. It's really helpful. I was using this before when I did not have this WebRoot. So we can turn this on. This can allow that. As you can see, I turn this on and it's gonna keep scanning any kind of check for threats or anything like that. It's gonna keep scanning, which is really good. So make sure you have this on. Uh, Now, if we go back, account protection, yeah, you have to make sure if you have a Microsoft account, make sure you signed in. Uh, it helps you protect more because then the account is in your control, and if anything happens, you can go log in into the same Microsoft account into any other device and signed out or reset the password or anything you would like to do is kind of in your control then. Firewall and network protection. So as you can see, this is like it's more in the network side. If you are joining the domain or whichever you, as you can see, because I connected with my home Wi-Fi, it's like public network active, which makes sense. So here, as you can see, this is showing a warning sign as well under apps and browser control. So it asking me to turn this on, which means it's gonna make sure everything is running fine, all the apps and browser is in control. the settings to block potentially apps are turned off. Your device maybe make sure everything is turned on and secure. So yes, go ahead with this. Enter your admin login if it just prompts you. So just into that device security when I come in this. So as you can see, it's all fine. Just make sure because I just keep check every month. So mine is, as you can see, just there is a small green sign showing all good, all safe. Otherwise, it's gonna show you a little cross icon, which means you have to go in there and make sure why that is there. So just just make sure resolve the issue as soon as possible. Device performance and health. Click on that, and it's gonna show me the device health report. Windows time services is no issue. Storage is fine. Battery life is fine. Apps and software all good. So uh, it actually kind of a good to see just a health report, so you know where your laptop is falling under which category or where you have to uh, fix a thing. Sorry about that. Start fresh and with clean up to date installation. So that's like nothing to use. Family options. You can like for your child and for any family member you can protect that from here. Let your kids buy appropriate, like you can allow your family view settings. So here you can have a look, go through that and make sure everything in your control as a parent, so you can limit things on it for your kids for these options. Protection history. So again, make sure you check the protection history if there is anything. So you can check online and you have a history if there's anything resolved here, was issued before, so you can check all the kind of history because it never happened to me, so that's why it's all clear. So I hope this all helps you, and if there is any more for any more question you can add, you can comment below in this video and I will try to answer that as soon as possible. And if you want me to make any other videos on any other Windows options or feature you want me to explore, just comment below. I'll make sure I will cover that as well as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so they will know how to protect their devices um, to secure that because it's really important. Thanks for watching.